Yes. I think it's now high time. hmm? It's now high time we stop comparing Alkaline and Vibes Cartel. Why am I saying this? Hmm? Over the past 5 days, Vibes Cartel and Alkaline have had shows, hmm? of which Vibes Cartel was the first person to have a show. Then Alkaline had a show at Wembley Arena, UK. hmm? And both of these shows were sold out. Both of them were sold out. hmm? And the media media stations are focusing on one side. Media stations are focusing on one side. hmm? Focusing on one side. Jamaican artists are focusing on one side. What does that show? Hmm? Jamaican music still, Jamaican music industry still have a long way. Hmm? They still have a long way. Both of these guys had shows of which were sold out, all of them. Congratulating one person. Still have a long way. A very long way. A very long way.